Alright, 2v1. It's too OP.
Against me.
Yep.
Fuckers.
Any of you guys at the Cinco at the moment?
Yeah, well, they're killing me.
That's a very
I'll come
loose
back, jump
term.
off in 10 minutes, I gotta get to bed. Quick couple battles before bed. Some actual PvP instead of just standing there smacking rocks.
I'm just swinging into the air, hoping that you TP in front of me, really.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm swinging.
Fuck. Who'd I hit? Ham. Sorry, bro.
On Colts will even the playing field once I get a better or somewhere.
Surely that hit him.
Hit me,
I
alright?
got Aegis.
This deer seems to be fucking evolved somehow.
You're the lag.
Oh, they're going for Colts.
Oh, 2 daggers? I'll be a beast.
Stay on beast dice.
Yeah, come to me.
Okay. Stay on beast.
Oh shit.
Get him on the rocks. Oh,
Okay, Ross is low.
peeled. Him again. Be good. Oh.
Good down there. We need the firing.
Yeah, we need him.
I'm so confused.
I'm friendly. Oh.
He's
I'm on the rock.
running. He's running.
Crippled him.
Hit him.
Fucked.
Yeah, he's fucked. That was bait.
That was bait, yeah. I can't see any fucking nameplates for some reason, eh? I'm just like going off what weapons.
Sorry, bro. Except for Colts, he seems to be some sort of god in this lag.
Oh, there you go. What the fuck is shooting me?
Is that Buddy?
Must be the fire.
Stopping now. Oh, he's dead! Fuck, we're fucked!
Quick. No.
Oh, I
back.
missed! I missed. Oh, he's back. Couldn't do a clear. Do you know disease daggers are gay? Give people AIDS. Not nice.
Okay, okay, my turn. As if you
Go.
got 2 hits in while
Oh,
I'm swinging.
what are you doing over there? I didn't see you had a bow in your hand, sorry. Oh, I need a peel,
Watching me,
bro.
bro. Oh, you missed.
I need a peel. Need a peel. Need some peels. Need a peel.
Oh god, he got me.
Need a
Shit.
peel. Still peeling.
Still peeling.
Still need a peel.
Have you peeled yet?
Oh, he teleported. No.
Nah, fucker. Get him, get him, get him. Stay on him.
Who said you can't use a rock?
Ah.
Oh my god, I reckon I was getting hit my team then. God, I'm out of pot spray. What? Fuck off.
Oh, where the fuck
Mr.
did you come
Lag.
from? Holy shit.
Where did you go?
I just got fully shadow stepped.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Get
I'm gonna die. I got nothing. I got nothing. Is there anything in this fridge? There's nothing in the fridge. What sort of fucking sort of place is this? Why is everyone fucking? Who's that guy?
Oh, I got him.
It's like-
Is it it? Is it it?
Beast is dead.
Archer that's shooting me with a non-existent bow in its hand. Cool.
How did you bend that? Oh, fuck off. Oh my god.
Ooh,
Damn.
that was a big one.
I'm coming. Don't die.
I don't have any other disease. I think this is it. I do one more fix for you.
How are you still alive? What the fuck?
No!
Is it?
Neither of them got hit.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna fight you on the pyramid then. Oh, it's alright, bro.
Balaz GG's, it'll probably catch us all tomorrow, eh?
Alright, bro. Take it easy.
Yes, I'll try to bring the missus in for some PvP.
Cool.
Because that was fun. That last 10 minutes was the funnest of the whole night. Alright, catch you later.
So yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh, damn, that dagger's here.
Nah, I don't think so. How is it this hard? Oh, thank fuck for that. My god.